marketing due diligence, I call it, and it has implications particularly for the investment market. The best chief executives in the world, what they do, ladies and gentlemen, they actually prove that they're creating shareholder value through their strategies, and they go and they discuss that with the investment community, and guess what? The investment community invests in them. It's ever so simple, really, as opposed to all the forecasts and budgets and fantasy land that a lot of companies just throw out to the and the stock exchange say, we don't believe you, thank you very much. And then, of course, everyone says it's the stock exchange that's short term, and the answer is no, it's not. It's managers that are short term. Long-term profitability and short-term profitability are not mutually exclusive, and never have been and never will be. I mean, it's quite good also for strategy makers, particularly marketing strategy makers, and I like this. It's a way to prove your worth to the board by talking a grown-up language. And I don't really worry too much about this, but to prove your value to the boss, I'm much more concerned about actually having a grown-up conversation with your board of directors. And this I thought you would all like. Marketers, and we're all marketers, we're torn between two groups whose wants are contradictory. You've got customers who want the most value and utility for the least cost. There's nothing wrong with that. And you've got shareholders who want the biggest return on the lowest investment and risk. There's nothing wrong with that either. Neither group is loyal if they can do better elsewhere, and why should they be? And the skill shareholders pay us for in the marketing community is the ability to use their funds better than other marketers. These skills manifest themselves when customers see our offers as meeting their shifting needs better than competing offers. The trick is to do this continuously. So isn't marketing easy, ladies and gentlemen? Isn't it easy? That's all you've got to do.